Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for January 13th, 2024. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. My intentions with the podcast are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend paying securities. I just want to share investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts. Not the one today, but I'm considering it, depending on price action. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The stock I want to talk to you about today is one called Leggett & Platt. The symbol is LEG. Leggett & Platt is you might be surprised what they do. They make all sorts of bedding components, sleep number bed, that sort of thing. They make bedding itself and sell it directly and indirectly. They also make mattress foundations. They make wire forms for mattress foundations. They make sewing machines. They make automotive parts. They make aerospace parts. They make all sorts of office and home furniture, mostly for offices and that sort of thing. They sell directly, they sell indirectly, they make for other brands. It's a large company. It was founded in 1883, so we're talking 140-year-old company, and it's based in Missouri, but they are worldwide. Here's some basic information I got from yahoo.com. This is the basic information. 52-week range. We're at the low end of the range there, closer to $22 a share. But right now it's at 25.5 plus or minus. Dividend and yield is what I really like here, and the dividend's been growing for at minimum 15 years here. Forward yield is about 7%. They pay quarterly. PE ratio is a good low number for an industrial company. 16.20 earnings per share. Don't necessarily cover the dividends right now, but the earnings per share on this company go up and down based on economic trends and things that happen in the economy. Right now it's below. Target estimate is kind of interesting that I noted there's a little lower than we're at, and that's going to be what I talked to you about as far as picking this company and at the price that you might want it. Again, this company is definitely a good company, been around a long time. Schwab, this is from Schwab, this form right here. I got an outperform rating, and you can see that indeed the value metrics, which I've shown in the box there, that the PE is definitely lower than the S&P 500. Price to book is real low. Sales and earnings per share growth, of course, have declined based on some economics here. But I still think this is a very successful company and will continue to be successful based on the product choices they have and the really where we're at in the economy. Dividend's been growing and continues to grow, and like I said, it's a little over 7% yield. So to me, that's definitely something to look at. But let's talk about price in the next slide here. As you can see from this chart, their price has been declining. Definitely, it was up near $60 per share back in late 2021, and it's been declining ever since. But as you can see, there's kind of a floor at about the $23 range, and that's if I was to buy this company, in which I may piece into it. I'm going to do it probably closer to the $23 per share range, because right now it's overbought. I think technically it'll obviously go down to the oversold eventually, and I think that at that point we'll be looking at the $23 range, and you can see there's like an inverted triangle there. That, I think, shows us that more or less it's going to happen. If it's going to break out, it's going to happen probably second quarter this year. That's when I would look at Leggett & Platt. Leggett & Platt definitely is going to be around a long time. They pay good dividends. The dividend's been growing. I would just look at it and try to investigate and see if it's for you. You may or may not like the product mix. You may or may not like the point in the economic cycle that we're in. But I think it's a good idea to. It could be a moneymaker in the future. Take a look at it. May or may not be for you. With that, I'd like to say thank you for listening. I hope you got a little something out of this. Leggett and Platt is a good company, been around a long time. The intro and outro is a song that I wrote and was played by a band that I used to play in. It's called She's the One. Has good meaning to me, and happy investing. Enjoy 2024. Should be an interesting year.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving, purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. All